So I could see lightning reflecting off the buildings downtown. This is a storm that is going on over Spring, which is in North Houston, and the flashes look pretty bright as far as just even reflecting off the buildings downtown. Whoa. I looked outside and, it's like the lightning is going pretty wild, honestly. So I figured I would come out and record. There's no rain sounds or anything, it's just lightning. So let's see if... Oh, and then when I looked out, obviously, like, the first thing I saw was some of that crazy, like, arcing across the sky lightning. So I figured it would be worth coming out and recording. Let's see, what probably the best spot to do this from is going to be over here. Yeah, like that. Like, I looked out, that was the first, when I actually looked out at the lightning, that was the kind of first thing that I saw, so. I actually saw some lightning, not so dissimilar from that. Over downtown, it looked like. I couldn't tell because it was from one of the webcams, so, the depth perception is difficult to gauge exactly where it was, but it was over downtown, and when I looked at Radar Omega, there was no storm or lightning activity in the direction, so it was like you could very clearly see it too, which is strange. And you can hear it. I mean, it's miles north of us, so that should tell you this is a pretty strong electrical storm. I kind of want to go to the end of the street really quick and just see. Because there's been some bright flashes in this, like that. There's been some bright flashes in this direction, so I figure, it's coming from the northwest. Just want to see exactly what this setup is over here, what it kind of looks like. I haven't done one of these where I actually walk out to the end of the block in a while, so. Give me one moment. Okay, did that make it any better? Not exactly sure why the light's streaking like that, but. So I mean, it is in this direction as well. It's like maybe this is the far boundary, but it's, you know, you can clearly see in the clouds like bolts kind of arcing above the clouds over the street light too. I don't know, it's lightning all coming from that side now. I just missed a cool one. Oh well. You know, at a certain point, it's just like I've caught a bunch of cool lightning. I don't catch all the lightning in the world. I'm not going to catch every lightning in every storm. It would be ideal if I had a better setup, but I don't, so I think I get enough good lightning content as it is with the setup that I have. I don't know, it looks like it kind of chilled out above in that direction. Maybe not though. There was some. I think I'm gonna go to the end of the block because it looks like the more consistently bright flashes are happening more to the northwest than just north. Though, you know, there's still stuff going northern direction. I mean, everything's northern, but yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna go this way. One moment. Did that make it any better? A little better. Okay, I think it's this one. Alright, streak's almost gone. Maybe one more time. Okay, cool. So it's kind of like there's a big cloud structure directly ahead of us, and as there's flashes on either side, it illuminates one side or the other of the big cloud structure. But it's just big enough to where it's like I kind of got to do this. I mean, it's not completely able to fit in the frame. Also, there's all sorts of things in previous videos when I do this. I talk about stuff, and during the Lightning Lab videos, I have plenty to talk about, but just probably not for this video. Like there's consistent lightning to the left, but maybe the more dramatic lightning has been to the right. At least thus far. If I press down on my right leg, that was something. Whoa. Honestly, with that one, I just thought to myself, you know, I could sit here and like try to do the right leg thing and exert on my right side, but maybe what if I just like believe, hey, there's gonna be a lightning, and right when I thought that, there was that pretty spectacular one. So, you know, I definitely think it matters what you believe anyway, but probably doesn't have completely to do with the right side of my body. Probably more a belief thing. I mean, just really the more consistent lightning is on the left, but definitely the more, like, you know, as I would rate lightning, yeah, is in this direction, is to the right side. That a symbolic thing with my left and right, maybe, I don't. But just seems to be what it is here. See anything interesting? I don't just want to stand out here for that much longer. But I also didn't really come out here with expectations of, it's just like, well, I know there's lightning and I just saw one that looked pretty crazy, so I might as well go out and see what I can capture. So I'm not looking to like exert belief power into this specific lightning storm or anything like that. Or just even put too much focus on it. We're approaching 30 minutes, so like, that should be enough. I mean, enough for what? I don't know. I just don't really want to stand out here that much longer. And again, just like, oh, there you go. I was gonna say it's more consistent on the left side. It keeps going doing stuff, but it's just flashes. But on the right side, every time it's happened, it's been something like that where you can actually see it. It could also just be the cloud structures blocking what's going on, and in this you get a clear corridor, so take it for what it is. But I would say probably Yahweh would take this vantage point into consideration when setting this up, so you probably get some merit in the left-right thing. Okay, for the next 5 minutes, or until 30 minutes into the thing, I'll put some focus on some spectacular lightning. We'll see if we get one. Well, that looked like it was probably pretty spectacular, but that one was actually blocked by the clouds, so. Also, the mosquitoes are not good. rephrase that. The mosquitoes are pretty bad. Since I'm holding a static position with the camera, I can't really smack them away, so they're just getting a feast. I'll just say, at least from what I can see, aren't really missing anything other than flashes, because there's just whatever view of the lightning bolts themselves could be had is blocked by the clouds. Oh, got one of the mosquitoes. There's some of the blood. That one went on my hand. That one was pretty far away. It was still really bright, and that thunder was deep. Okay, we're at approaching 30 minutes. Once we get to 30 minutes, I'm going to hold out for one more, kind of bright or spectacular, whatever the next, impressive lightning is, and then I'm going to head back. But I'll keep it on until I get back to the house, I guess. One of the things I was even just thinking to myself is is this interesting? Is this interesting content? Whatever, I'm just gonna record it and put it on my YouTube. Do I count that one? That was not as spectacular as I was hoping for. If that was, I'll give it one more. We'll just wait here another moment. What else am I doing? Nothing. Still holding out for one more. There's one of the consistent on the left ones. Was that a spectacular? I mean, it looked kind of cool on the camera. I just, like, we've definitely had some more spectacular ones than that already, but maybe that was it. I don't know. I turned my head to look at the cars and then I was like, why are they going so slow? Is the constable doing a patrol? Just like when a car is close enough, I just avoid being at all in the road. He's just close enough for a while because he's going slower. So I'm like trying not to stand in the road, but he's trying to scope out what's going on. There's got to be one more spectacular one. I believe it. I just don't want to sit here forever for it. I might just start heading back here. And by I might, I'm already walking to get my water. Alright. Who knows, we might get something on the way back. Well, whatever, I've seen some interesting stuff tonight. Nothing groundbreaking or earth-shattering as far as like types or varieties. That was it. That was the one. God. That was the one that only a minute after I walk away, less than a minute. Man, there's gonna be a thunder for that one too. That one might have been the groundbreaking or shattering one. That's why you gotta have patience. I'm just tired of getting eaten up by these mosquitoes. I mean, that was the thunder for it. Yeah, you know, the flash on that one was bright and it was through all the trees and stuff, so I know that one was definitely the one. There's a lesson in patience, even if I didn't play the whole thing out. And now you can see why you would be patient. If I stayed out here that long anyway, I might as well have just waited for it. Oh my god. Of course. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Maybe there will be some lighting behind me if I talk this way, but anyway, obviously that is a lesson in patience. If there's anything to gain from this channel, it might be that lesson right there. Not that I could have guaranteed that was gonna happen 20 seconds from when I walked away. That's why I kind of stopped. But also, again, I'm just like, you can see the, can you see that? You might even be able to see it on camera. You can see the bite, like the mosquito bites right in the middle of the screen right there. I mean, it's like just getting eaten up out here. I'm tired of it. So, all right, that's it. Anything else? 3, 2, probably not. Probably missed it. Oh well. All right. Have a blessed one. Catch you next time. Later. Yeah.